Having trouble with the access is denied error in zArchiver? Don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to fix the access is denied problem in zArchiver. First, uninstall the zArchiver app from your phone to start with a fresh installation. Once it's uninstalled, open the Google Play Store and install zArchiver again. Once the app is installed, open it. Here you will see a question mark icon. Tap on it. It will redirect you to your browser, where you can find permission instruction based on your Android version. If you are using Android 11 or above, then follow the steps I am showing now. Open zArchiver and tap on the OK button. It will open the permission settings page. From here, allow the permission exactly like I am doing on the screen. Once you have granted all the permissions, the access is denied problem should be fixed successfully just like mine. If the OK button doesn't appear, then open your phone's setting and search for all file access. Now open that setting. Scroll down and find zArchiver from the list. Finally, turn on this toggle to grant the required permission. And that's it. The access is denied problem should now be fixed successfully. If the issue still appears, simply restart your device once and try again. So that's how you can fix the access is denied problem in zArchiver. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.